To start a limited liability company, LLC, in Alabama, several steps must be taken. The process begins with choosing a name for the LLC, which must be distinguishable from other business entity names already registered in the state. The name must end with Limited Liability Company or one of its abbreviations. To check the availability of a name, a search can be done on the Alabama Secretary of State website. If the preferred name is already in use, it is possible to file for a Doing Business as DBA registration, which allows the LLC to operate under a different name. After selecting a name, the next step is to appoint a registered agent, who will handle necessary government, tax, and legal correspondence on behalf of the LLC. While it is possible to serve as one's own registered agent, this is not recommended due to the complexity of legal documents and the requirement to be available to resolve issues during business hours. Using a registered agent service is a more common approach, as it simplifies the process and keeps personal information private. The next step is to file articles of organization, which include basic information about the LLC, such as its name, address, and purpose. This can be done by searching for the relevant form on the Alabama Secretary of State website and paying the state filing fee, which is currently $200. Following this, an operating agreement should be created, which outlines how the business will be run, including details such as profit distribution and authority to bind the LLC to contracts. Obtaining necessary permits and licenses is the next step, which varies depending on the industry and specific activities of the LLC. Researching the required permits and licenses for the specific business is essential. After obtaining the necessary permits and licenses, the LLC must comply with tax requirements, which includes filing annual reports, maintaining accurate records, and conducting business transactions through a business bank account to protect personal assets. Finally, if the LLC plans to hire employees or file certain tax forms, an employer identification number, EIN, is required, which can also be necessary for opening a business bank account if the LLC has multiple members. To simplify the process and ensure accuracy, using a legal service that specializes in business formation can be beneficial. These services can guide the LLC through every step, from registering the business to obtaining an EIN and creating an operating agreement, making the process easier and helping to maintain compliance with all legal requirements.